ChatGPT is an AI-based chatbot powered by OpenAI's GPT language model. It is designed to provide human-like interactions with users by generating responses to natural language input. ChatGPT has a wide range of potential applications, some of which include chatbots for customer service, virtual assistants, and conversational user interfaces for websites and mobile applications. There are a bunch of decent tools out there that offer the same array of services as ChatGPT. Number 1. Chatsonic. Chatsonic can be used for rapid production of any type of content needs, from social media ad copy to extended blog posts. Just type in word prompts around which you want the content generated. The Chatsonic model can also be taught to generate conversational responses, making it a useful resource for call centers and other customer support environments. The content that Chatsonic generates includes the most up-to-date data and industry trends, something that even ChatGPT cannot achieve. Uchat. Uchat is powered by OpenAI's GPT 3.5, the same AI model that drives ChatGPT. It has a reasonably simple interface that integrates seamlessly with U.com's search engine. That means users can both search for web pages related to your query as well as hold conversations with the AI chatbot. If you need a combination of these two, Uchat is an option worth considering. LandBot. With LandBot, businesses of all sizes can build conversational websites, landing pages, surveys, and lead-generating chatbots to better engage with customers and increase conversion rates. The platform's conversational user interface lets people make lead-generating forms and deliver data to CRMs without any extra work. An integrated editor within LandBot IO facilitates enhanced contact with prospective customers, lead scoring, and individualized communication. Replica. Using Replica is a fantastic way to spark your imagination and connect with others. It's a chatbot driven by artificial intelligence that can respond to your texts in the same way a human friend would, and it does it instantly. After being trained with a large dataset, it is capable of coming up with its own unique responses. If it's something you'd feel comfortable discussing with close friends and family, then it's fine to discuss it with Replica as well. Chatwood. You may communicate with your target market through a variety of social media platforms, consolidate all of your communications into one inbox, and divide your site visitors into specific groups to send them more relevant content. Furthermore, unique rules and triggers can be established to fully automate mundane interactions. In addition, Chatwood has a number of tools for group work. ManyChat. ManyChat provides sophisticated flow templates and robust analytics for evaluating your bot's effectiveness. The solution provides a drag-and-drop interface for creating unique chatbots from scratch or modifying existing ones. The technology enables staff to engage with potential customers, collect data like name, email address, and phone number, and categorize their target audiences based on their behavior. Chatra. Chatra software facilitates a rise in user-generated income through the World Wide Web. It allows businesses to have an ongoing discussion with all visitors without waiting for someone to ask a question. Chatra's Team Chat feature facilitates communication between many team members and any necessary account or product specialists, all from within the same chat box.